Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Snapchat so it can access your photos. This is necessary for importing. Once done, swipe up to reveal memories, then switch to the Camera Roll tab to see gallery images. Tap a photo to select it. You can pick multiple items if you plan a multi-snap story, and use the Import or Edit button to bring it into Snapchat. Make sure permissions remain enabled so images load reliably, and you can continue to the next step. Now you edit and customize because Snapchat treats gallery photos like freshly taken snaps. You can add text, stickers, filters, crop, or draw. These options ensure your image fits Snapchat style. Once edits look right, set the snap duration or add it to a story so viewers see it sequentially. This matters if you imported multiple photos. Then tap the send arrow or save to memories to finalize. Make deliberate choices. Finally, pick who receives the photo. A friend, your story, or my eyes only, because destination determines visibility and privacy. Tap send and watch for the delivery check or story icon so you know it posted correctly. If something goes wrong, the photo won't appear or import fails, make sure Snapchat has photos permission, restart the app, then re-import from your camera roll. This often resolves indexing or permission glitches and gets your snaps back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.